Today we're going to be taking a look at this cordless trimmer. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. This trimmer is extremely lightweight and also features a button on the front of the head to angle it for whatever angle you want to the grass. It features a detachable handle for storage, along with a screw to be able to attach it easily. It features a guide bar on the front, as well as a protection guide on the back. It also comes with additional blades, which can be attached to the handle. Furthermore, it comes with a battery and charger. An instruction manual with safety guide is also available with the trimmer. This trimmer comes with many blades. All you have to do is just put it on, unlock it, and it will be attached to the head. This trimmer is powerful, ergonomically designed, and it's ideal for trimming excess grass or growing around walls, fences, or flower beds. The extra blades can be attached to the handle and just stored underneath until needed. The nut comes attached to the screw. All you have to do is pull it off and then thread it through the handle to be able to be screwed on tight. No tools are required for assembly. This creates a ratchet handle, so the handle will lock into place until you pull it very hard to change the angle of it. Its simplistic design makes it extremely portable and low maintenance with no mess, fumes or fueling up. The lightweight aluminium telescopic shaft with swivel front handle are an ideal feature for allowing you to get that perfect cut. Here's a top-down view of the trimmer with the guard along with the guide attached to it. We have more than one option when you purchase this trimmer. We have the single battery option as shown on the screen, as well as also one for 2 batteries. Here are the specifications for the trimmer. The speed is 8,500 min to 1, the cutting circle is 26 cm, the max operating time is approximately 30 minutes, it's protection class 3, the charging time is 3 to 5 hours, the sound power level is 88.3 decibels, as well as it has an interchangeable battery of lithium ion. It will cut up to 2,500 linear meters in one charge, so you can complete most of your garden tasks without having to recharge. It also comes as part of a combo with a battery-powered lawnmower and battery-powered leaf blower, all using the same batteries. The trimmer features a push-to-start switch. When the switch is pushed in, it will go until you let go of it and it will immediately stop. It also has a button on the side of it that you have to push in to actually make the trimmer go for a bonus safety feature. The battery is very easy to attach, it just slides on and then with the grey button it slides off. It will help you keep neat and consistent lines when trimming along objects in your garden, making the difference between a good lawn and a flawless lawn.